Hello, welcome to Pergola Nurseries in Virginia. The amount of weeds I've got a grip on the last while is enormous. It's been relatively mild winter. Creeping buttercups and cleavers, speedwell, all have gone mad. This is an excellent tool for the job. This is the pull spark from the bit, all made from Swedish born steel. I'll show you a new one here. It'll give you a better idea. This is our old one, it's in the nursery for years and years. Nice and sharp like that, gets under weeds and you can rake over the area. So if you want to get under creeping buttercups, you want to take out weeds like that there, it's an easy tool for the job. So under creeping buttercups like that, and they are the vein of my life here, they really are. So very quickly you can get under them and get an area cleaned off. And the main thing is get ahead of weeds before they get ahead of you. So creeping buttercups like that there, and get them all gathered off very quickly off this area, and don't let them beat us this year. Clumps of grass and all sorts have got a grip in this area, but we'll deal with it now with the pull spark from the bit. Goodbye for now, enjoy your garden.